Let's be real for a minute. If you're a student right now, whether you are in high school, preparing for entrance examinations, or sitting in some university lecture hall, you're probably tired. And I don't mean the kind of tired that a nap can fix. I mean exhausted. So, we are living in a time where the pressure to be perfect has never been higher. You wake up and the world expects you to have it all figured out. You need the perfect grades, the perfect extracurriculars, the perfect social life, and on top of that, you are expected to choose a career path that is going to define the next 40 years of your life. You open your phone, and what do you see? You see everyone else's highlight reel. You see your cousin getting into a top tier university. You see your friend posting about internships, relationships. You see people who seem smarter, richer, and happier than you, and you sit there staring at the textbook, feeling a knot in the stomach, and you feel like you're falling behind in a race you never even signed up for. The system tells you, just study harder, just focus, and nobody's asking the real question. Are you okay? No, seriously, ask yourself, are you okay? I started this channel because I know exactly what that feels like. I remember sitting in my room, staring at a pile of books, feeling like I was drowning. I had the syllabus, I had the notes, and trust me, I also had the pressure from my family to succeed. And I was completely lost. I was working hard, but I didn't know where I was going. I realized that school is great at giving us a map, but they say go from 10th grade to 12th grade to a university and then what? A job? But they don't teach you how to navigate the storms. So they don't teach you what to do when the map is wrong or when you fail or you hate the path that you picked. That's why Studaura exists. We are not just another channel about how to memorize faster. We aren't here to just give you some hacks to study, or we are here to be your student compass. A map is always fixed, but a compass helps you find the right direction. No matter where you are standing right now, this channel is your third place. Not your school, not your home, but a safe place where we can talk about things that actually matter for your future. So what are we going to do here? First, we are going to tackle career clarity. Understand about all the different career options a normal student have. So we won't just read definitions of jobs. We are going to break down the reality. What does a computer science degree actually lead to? Is studying psychology right for you? What is the return of interest when we want to go abroad and study? And second, what nobody talks about mental health. Real talk about mental health, burnouts, and the fear of disappointing our parents. And third, we are going to talk about life skills, communication, financial literacy, the things that actually make you successful in the real world. And I want to say something to the people who are not students. If you are a parent watching this, trying to understand your child, or a teacher who want to help your students, or a sibling trying to help your brother or sister or cousins, you're welcome here too, because to help a student succeed, it's not one man's job. We need a village, and this channel is that village. And trust me, I'm going to add more people to this village. You don't have to figure all out by yourself anymore. You have the potential. When I say this, trust yourself. You have the potential. You just need the right direction, and let us be that compass for you. If you are ready to stop feeling lost and start finding your way, hit that subscribe button. My name is Praveen Chitrala, and this is Studaura, and I'll see you in the next video.